domain hierarchy. This is the domain hierarchy. We have here examples. We have the domain hierarchy that we see here is divided in 3 domains or 3 categories: the root domain, top level domain, and second level domain. Right? This is the root domain. We can see here dot something, .com, .info, .gov, .edu, .everything is the top level domain, and the second level domain is basically your name of the URL, your identifier, URL identifier. It's just your name that you choose, like try hack me, Google, USA, NASA, Army, hack the box, cats, places, socks, tractors, beans, laser beans, Superman, that's it. Top level domain. Top level domain is the most right hand part of a domain name. So for example, tryhackme.com, the top level domain is .com. There are 2 types of top level domains: generic top level domains and country code top level domains. Historically, a general top level domain is meant to tell the user the domain name purpose. For example, a .com would be for a commercial purpose, a .org for an organization, .edu or nomsain for education, .gov for government, etc. And the CCT global country code and the CCTLD, a country code top level domain, was used for geographical purposes. For example, .ca for sites based on in Canada, .co.uk for sites based in the United Kingdom, and so on. Due to such a demand, there is an influx of new global, I keep saying global, but it's generic top-level domains ranging from .online, .club, .website, .biz, and so many more. For a full list of over 2,000 top-level domains, click here. No thanks. A second-level domain. Taking tryhackme.com as an example, the .com part is the top-level domain, and tryhackme is the second-level domain. Yeah, it's basically the name. When registering a domain name, the second level domain is limited to 63 characters plus the top level domain and can only use an A to Z and 0 to 9 and hyphens. Cannot start or end with hyphens or have consecutive hyphens. A subdomain sits on the left-hand side of the of the second level domain, using a period to separate it. For example, in the name admin tryhackme.com, the admin part is a subdomain. A subdomain name has the same creation restrictions as a second level domain, being limited to 63 characters and can only use A to Z, 0 to 9 and hyphens. Cannot start or end with hyphens or have consecutive hyphens. You can use multiple subdomain splits with periods to create longer names, such as jupiter.servers.tryhackme.com, but the length must be kept to 253 characters or less. There is no limit to the number of subdomains you can create for your domain names. There is no limit to the number of subdomains you can create for your domain name. And we have some questions. What is the maximum length of a subdomain? 63 characters. Which of the following characters cannot be used in a subdomain? The underscore. What is the maximum length of a subdomain? 253. What type of top-level domain is .co.uk? We have it right over here. Wait. Oh, it's the country code. CCTLD. Yeah. Country code, top-level domain. And that's it.